Oh God, please send me at least one customer today. It's been 2 days since not a single cloth has been sold. Lala ji, earlier there used to be a crowd early in the morning for clothes, but now it feels like what's going on? I don't understand, Birju. Same shop, same clothes, prices are even low, yet no one comes.
Ramesh has brought new stock from the city for his shop and is giving discounts too. That's where everyone has been going these days.
Oh, so that's the reason.
At the night, Jivantlal sits alone in the small living rooms of his house. The room is filled with deep silence and a dim light glows from the corners. Jivantlal gets up and walks towards his madras rooms. On the walls hanging on old smiling photos of his mothers with the faded flowers garland, a cupboard and on holds dusty swings machines are kept in the corners.
Mother, see, your son is about to give up. No one visits my shop anymore. I still remember when you used to make beautiful clothes on this sewing machine, and I would say that one day I will open a big shop and keep your clothes there. I did open a shop, but couldn't keep your clothes. I really miss you, Mom.
Jeevan Lal wipes the dust off the machines and then goes to sleep in his room.
Who came so early in the morning?
Jeevan Lal opens the door and sees a woman standing stairs covered in a walls.
Son, someone told me you need a maid badly.
No, that's not true.
Come on, son. There must be some work. I can do anything. Just give me 2 meals a day.
All right. Come in and cook food. My wife and kids have gone to my mother's place. So I'm alone for now.
Leela starts doing the housework and when she cooks for the first time and serves Jeevan Lal, he licks his fingers in delights.
Wow, such tasty food. It feels like my mother cooked it.
Think of me as your mother.
Yes, of course. Now I'll go to the shop. You please look after everything here.
Yes, son. No problem.
After Jeevan Lal leaves, Leela goes to her mother's rooms, cleans the swing machines and starts stitching clothes on it. The whole day passes like this and in the evenings, Jeevan Lal comes back home tired.
No one came to the shop today either. Seems like I'll have to shut it down.
Just as he says this, his eyes fall on his mother's room. The door is slightly open and soft light is coming from inside.
Who switched the light on? I had turned it off.
Jeevan Lal quietly moves towards the rooms and what he sees makes his eyes widen and surprise. Near the swing machines lives beautiful shining and heart-touching lehengas that has fine embroidery, golden thread and amazing colors.
I have never seen such a lehenga in my life. But where did this come from?
I made this lehenga, son.
You made it? But how? This looks like the work of an expert.
No, son. I made it. I have loved sewing and embroidery since childhood.
But where did you get the fabric and other materials to make this lehenga?
While I was cleaning today, I found some cloth scraps and lace in a bag in the back room. I made this lehenga from those.
What? A beautiful lehenga made from scraps? I can hardly believe it. If I bring you fresh clothes from my shop, imagine what magic you could create.
Give me some cloth and lace. Just wait and watch how many beautiful clothes I make from them.
All right, and tomorrow I'll display this lehenga in the front of the shop.
Jeevan Lal plays the same lehengas In the most visible sports office shops, soon a crowd gathers outside. Women and girls admires that lehenga so happily.
Hey, look, I have never seen such a lehenga anywhere. Ask where it's from and how much it costs. This is real art and craftsmanship. See how neatly it is made.
So sister, how do you like the lehenga?
Very beautiful, but it must be expensive.
No, only 3,000 rupees.
Hearing the price, the women are surprised and immediately buy it. Jimalal is very happy and is about to tell Leela's when he notices a beautiful gowns prepared near the swing machines in the rooms.
Such a beautiful gown.
I made this.
Amazing! Wonderful! So beautiful! I'm amazed at how you make all this from leftover cloth. You shouldn't be here. You should be at my shop.
Not the shop. I'm fine right here. If you bring me all the materials from the shop, you see how many beautiful clothes I make every day.
From stand on, Leela sets it in clothes every day after life's red leaves quickly and carefully she makes lovely clothes and keeps them ready. Jivanlal starts displaying these clothes and slowly more customers comes to the shops. Everyone loves the garments now displays in the shops.
Lala ji, what a miracle! A week ago the shop was empty and now it feels like a fair. In just 1 week, the shop's fortune has completely changed. Everyone is praising our clothes. Such beautiful designs at such low prices. All thanks to the maid who works in my house. She does all the housework, cooks, and daily stitches new clothes. I don't know how she manages all this. You are right, Lalaji. This is nothing short of a miracle. It's impossible to sew such clothes in 1 day. You are right.
That day Jivanlal comes home crying a box of sweets.
Maji, come quickly and have sweets. Today the shop had great sales. I'm very happy.
Jivanlal calls but there is no answers inside. Jivanlal opens the letters and begins to read.
Sanjeevan Lal, I am leaving now. When you remembered me in trouble, I had to come to help you. After all, a mother can't bear to see her child suffer even after death. Before I go, I am leaving this cloth stitched by me for you. Don't worry, even though I'm not here, this sewing machine will keep stitching clothes just like I used to. From today, use it to make clothes for your shop. My love and blessings will always be with you, your mother.
As Jivanlal reads the letters, tears fill his eyes as he slowly sits on the floor.
Mom, it was you. You had been in this house all along, and I didn't recognize you. How close you were to me, Mother.
Jivanlal is very sad that day but also feels a joy. He picks up the kurtas made by his mother and holds it close to his chest. The next day he takes the swing machines to the shops and gives it to Birju's dad. Swing machines then begins to see the most unique clothes and Jivanlal's shops start doing very well.